Hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to find the number of day in a month in Google Sheets. So get ready started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. In this video, I will show that find the number of day in the month. Now, I can say now. Firstly, select from the now for click number of day. Then keyboard press from the equal and type from the EOMONTH. Then for select and select from the first date, comma 0 and first bracket close. Now minus. Then again type from the EOMONTH. Now for select. Then select from the first date. Now for comma. Then type from the mouse minus 1 and close the first bracket. Then keyboard press from the enter. That is. Now mark from the all number of name updates. That is. Then I show the find the number of day in month in Google Sheets. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.